But one of the things that I felt was this, that if we're going to solve this problem of the mixing of races, to solve the problem of racial unrest in this country, there has to be an understanding of appreciation and understanding of who we are as a people, that we are one people, that there's oneness. We have to understand the oneness of the human family. And only until then and only till then, are we going to be able to really resolve the problem of a racial problem. Because there is, Guy Murchie gave this wonderful, wonderful explanation of how we are connected in this mysterious way. So what I'd like to do is have everybody stand up, and we're going to do one little exercise before we end. Okay, stand up, stretch. Okay, everybody's been stretching, good. What I want you to do is take a deep breath. And I'm going to do the same thing with you. Okay? And hold it and let it out. Okay, here we go. Now let it out. Now take another deep breath and let it out. Now what has happened is that you have breathed in my molecules, trillions of them, and I have breathed in all of your molecules, trillions of them. All the little molecules and tissues, pieces of tissue that I have breathed out, you have breathed in. You have become part of me, and I have become part of you. Guy Murchie showed this, and he then went further to say that he could show mathematically there was another connection. And he said, all you gotta do is take your grandparents, you can do it and you go home. And you have to take the grandparents, multiply by 2, your great-grandparents, multiply the grandparents by 2, that gives you 4, that would be your great-parent. Then multiply those by 2, that'll give you 2 times 4 is 8. Yeah. And then keep multiplying. When you go to 2 to the 30th power, that means when you get to the point where the 30th generation of people, of your tree, your family tree, everybody is related to some way, at least 50th cousin. Now this is mathematically accepted by anthropologists. Guy Murchie has shown this mathematically. It's such a wonderful, wonderful thought to have, that we are one, that when I look at you, I see me and you, and you see me,